Apple fruit cake. Gotta do what?
What are we gonna need, Maddie?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Gonna use a peanut butter first, okay?
Apple.
First, so you grab it with your fingers. There you go. Get a good finger in there, and then you smear it. There you go. Whoa! There you go. There's one. Smear it. There you go. Go fill it up. It's delicious to eat also. Smear. Look at this, everybody. Smear it. Okay, go. Continue, baby.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, it's delicious. Peanut butter is delicious. There you go. Here, baby. Continue smearing it. Nice. Everybody could see what you're doing. Whoa. That's awesome.
Wait, I got it.
Jesus, look at that. Nice. There you go. You can also eat it. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now that we're almost done with this, what's next, Maddie? What's next? Oh, right here. There you go, so everybody can see. What's next, Maddie? What is that?
Peanut butter.
But what's that right there?
Apple fruit.
That's a bird food, that's correct. What do we do with the bird food?
Yeah.
We put it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me open the lid. And tell me. Whoa, that looks like enough bird food. Put the lid back on. Like that?
Yeah.
Great. That's good. Okay. So now, let's move the camera a little bit down. Let's see that. What's next, Maddie?
Now, that.
Okay, go. You put it in there. And then you pick it up. There you go. And you want, you could roll it too. Could roll it. There you go. Let's see, put it this way. There you go. Looks like candy. Looks like you're putting candy on. It's like those Willy Wonka candies. Whoa! Oh, we're missing a spot right here. Can anybody see that spot we're missing? You see right there, that spot. So what we do is we put some more peanut butter. We put peanut butter right here. And then we mix it again. We mix it, we mix it. What's next, Maddie?
Now, it's peanut butter.
No, not anymore. Look, we're finished. What do we do next? We go outside and we hang it so the birds could eat it. You ready? We'll see you guys outside. Alright guys, we are now outside. We are about to put the bird food in the small garden we have. Ready, Maddie? You sure?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Okay guys, it's almost done. And this is our small garden. As you could see, we already have these everywhere in the garden. The birds have been coming by and eating them. As you can see, those spots there that are missing. Okay, Maddie.
Yeah.
Where do you want to hang that? Right there?
Yeah.
Do you want to hang it or you want to put it like this one?
Like it.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put it there then. I'll agree. Okay, go. Go ahead, you could do it. Go. What about we put it right here? There's no spiky plants there. Go ahead, baby.
Daddy, get up?
Yes. Go ahead. Can you reach?
No.
Oh, you want me to do it? Okay. Here to go. Here we go. We're gonna put it right here.
Now get
And then we're gonna wait for the birds to come. Look at all these. Quarantine has us doing small little projects to keep us sane. And this one goes down there. Nice little flowers.
Get your daddy